on the ferry to Amalfi, playing some really fun music. Made it to Amalfi. It is Wednesday, our second day in Amalfi, but our first full day. We had such a nice day. We went to the gym this morning and we went to breakfast, which was super nice. It was a nice breakfast buffet over the water, and we spent all day by the ocean and the pool at the beach club, which was just so relaxing.
The water was amazing when we jumped in, and unfortunately doesn't want to ruin her eyelashes, so she has yet to put her head under the water on this entire trip, but she promises on the last day she'll be doing so. So yeah, we're just one of the first days of the whole trip that we kind of just decided to do a relaxing day with nothing really planned, and it went great.
We're getting a lot of sun, which has been very, very nice. So now we're about to go walk through the little town in Amalfi, get some pizza, and have a very nice evening. We just went shopping in the town of Amalfi and we decided to get gelato.
Before dinner, a little reverse.
This gelato is so good. What flavor did you get?
I got Oreo, and then I'm not quite sure the type of candy, but it looked like kind of like a candy bar.
Kinder. I got this Biscoff and just chocolate chip.
And it is
Very good.
so good.
And we're sitting on our balcony.
They're good. Bam. What do you think about that?
Pretty nice. Can't beat the view. Got some room service. We got ice cream before dinner, and now we're eating pizza and going to watch Friends or reality TV. Taking the ferry today to Trafford actually went online and booked the tickets and figured out it would be much cheaper just to take the ferry to Positano than to get our own driver. So good job, Trafford.
I booked the first thing I booked the entire trip.
So here we are at the port waiting to get on the boat. Back on the ferry. got here before the crowd, which has been very nice. Back to Amalfi on the ferry. Hi, Positano.
Place.
Spice and this breakfast. So
Yeah.